In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Typeform with HubSpot step by step. If you're collecting leads through Typeform and want them to automatically appear inside HubSpot as contacts, this integration will save you time, eliminate manual data entry, and keep your CRM fully up to date. By the end of this video, your Typeform responses will sync directly into HubSpot with properly mapped fields. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and click on the Marketplace icon, which looks like a small store. From the dropdown, choose App Marketplace. This is where you can connect third-party tools like Typeform to your HubSpot account. In the search bar inside the App Marketplace, type in Typeform. When it appears in the search results, click on the Typeform integration. You'll now see the integration overview page with details about what the app can do. To begin connecting your accounts, click on Connect App or Install App, depending on what your screen shows. A new window will open asking you to log into your Typeform account. Enter your Typeform credentials and continue. After logging in, Typeform will ask you to approve access so it can communicate with HubSpot. Carefully review the permissions, then click Accept or Authorize to continue. Once approved, you'll automatically be redirected back to HubSpot. Now you'll be prompted to choose which Typeform forms you want to sync with HubSpot. Select the forms that you use for collecting leads or customer information. Next, make sure to enable the option that says Create or Update Contacts from Typeform responses. This ensures that every time someone submits your Typeform, HubSpot will either create a new contact or update an existing one if the email already exists in your CRM. Then, turn on the option that says Match Typeform Fields to HubSpot Contact Properties. This is important because it allows you to control exactly where each answer from your Typeform goes inside HubSpot. Once those options are enabled, click Save to complete the initial setup. At this point, your accounts are connected, but we still need to map the fields properly to make sure the data flows into the correct properties. To map your Typeform fields to HubSpot properties, go to the top right corner in HubSpot and click on Settings. From the left sidebar, navigate to Integrations, then click on Connected Apps. Here you'll see Typeform listed among your connected integrations. Click on Typeform to open its settings. You'll see a list of your connected forms. Find the specific Typeform you want to configure and open its mapping settings. For each question in your Typeform, you'll now choose the corresponding HubSpot property. For example, map the email question to the email property, the full name question to first name and last name, the phone number question to the phone number property, and so on. If you have custom questions in Typeform that don't match existing HubSpot properties, you may need to create custom properties in HubSpot first and then return here to map them correctly. Go through each field carefully to ensure everything is aligned properly. Once you've finished mapping all the necessary fields, click Save Mapping. Now your integration is fully configured. To test it, submit a response through your Typeform and then check your HubSpot contacts. You should see a new contact created instantly with all the mapped information placed into the correct properties. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Typeform with HubSpot and mapped your fields so responses automatically sync into your CRM. This setup ensures your leads are captured in real time, your sales team stays informed, and your marketing automation can trigger instantly based on new submissions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.